The Genius, Grade 6. The Genius is really a tribute to Gene Krupa. It's kind of very similar to a song called Sing Sing Sing, which Gene Krupa was famous for playing. Uses a lot of floor tom, there's a lot of articulation in it. It's all about accenting the right notes to get the shape and the rhythms and keeping it swinging and making it groove. It's very hard. I found it quite tricky to play on the electric kit. Must admit, I don't play electric kits very often. So if you're used to an electric kit, I'm sure you could control it a lot better. But one of the things I found particularly difficult was controlling the hi-hat, the opens and closed hi-hat on the main swing rhythm that is used in this piece.